Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to add page border in Microsoft Word document. So it's my article for my blog. Now we will add border to this page. So simple, click this icon and here is the border. Click this down arrow icon and click on border and shading. Here you can customize all the border like this box, all grid and custom. We will select box and here is the style. Select anyone which you want. Color automatic, and also you can choose a specific color like this one, and width there is a 3 point. I will select this one. Apply to table, paragraph or cell and click on OK. Another setting, here the page border, box, 3D border and custom, and here is the shadow, and in the shading and after customize all the settings, make OK. So now you can see the all the page and tables have borders. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thanks for watching this video.